welcome to Flatless Space. That's my channel. This is my first video I'm making, so see how it goes. This is my girlfriend's desktop. It's quite old, got a few parts on it, and I am going to upgrade it, but I'm also going to do a build vlog kind of thing. So I'm going to build it up, and it's going to be $100. The whole computer is going to be $100. This is approximation in US. I am currently in New Zealand, so you know, take the prices with a grain of salt. So right now inside here, I take this off, we have some old components, and that's what we have. And I'm gonna take most of it out and replace it with some new stuff. So let's go over some of the stuff I got so far. So far, I've had this in the computer already. I have this would nicely want to come out. I have a HG6850, Radeon HG6850. So this I got for about 55, 60 New Zealand a little while ago, which is around 40 US. $40 for a 6850 graphics card. That's gonna go there. Alright. They have, okay, so this came with the case. I know it's just blue tack there, because there's actually no mounting holes on this case, but blue tack works just as well. So I'm just going to remove this. Okay. I am removing the front fan. Alright. Now, so the case was actually a free case. Someone was just giving it away because he had a broken motherboard, broken computer, basically it didn't work. But, you know, I wanted it because it had a 500-watt power supply, and it was a case. So, free. I'm not complaining. Hopefully my phone doesn't run out of battery. I am filming this on a 1+1, so that's going to be a good test of the 4K resolution. Hopefully it is filming in 4K. Otherwise, you guys are getting what I'm about to say that. I don't care. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove what I have in here right now, and I'll get back to you. So, case was free, came with a 500-watt power supply, and yeah, oh, and the DVD drive, which works, but yeah, that's optional. If you're doing it, that's optional. Now, so the 6850, this was $40, 40 US, and we have fan. This was already in the box, I mean in the case. So yeah, that was free, and this was $2 at PP Tech, which is just the computer store we have here. They were taking it out of their cases, and because they were upgrading them to like water blocks and stuff like that, like water cooling loops and all that. So they were just basically giving these away for $2. Yeah, so they're Corsair fans. Corsair doesn't say what they are, but yes, Corsair fans. Not too bad. Will work. Do the job. So I have one fan at the front, one fan at the back. Fan at the front, neither of them will be mounted. Now, I'm going to show you the new components. So, here in this package, I got a bag of air. No, I'm kidding. Oh, do I need this? Or will it be the same? Oh, looks like it's different. Slightly different. And we have our motherboard. And some more bubble wrap. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Alright, so this motherboard came with two 2GB sticks of RAM. They're the low profile ones. They're Kingston RAM. Right, so it's 4GB of DDR3. I'm just going off my auction for some reason. Right, so 4GB of DDR3. It's got an it's got an E6600 inside, Pentium D E6600, and at so it's got a Pentium D E6600 at 3.06 GHz apparently, and we'll check that once we get in. And yes, so yep, Pentium D E6600 and 4GB of Kingston RAM at 1333 MHz. So that should be alright. So it's a DDR3, it's got DirectX 10 support, so it should be alright. And we're gonna do some gaming after this with it. So let's get everything installed again. So all up, this was 50 NZ, which is around 35 US. So that's 35 US plus $2 for the fan, so 37 US plus 40 for this. That's $77. $77. Okay. Then I picked up a hard drive for $10, but I'm not using that because she got herself a crucial 250GB SSD, so we'll be doing this instead of it, but I'm adding $10 to that. I'm also going to put in $10 for this case and everything, because I don't think it's fair that I got this for free. So let's say $10 for the case. You'll probably find one just as cheap or maybe even free. Including a mega power supply. Maybe not quite as good as this, but they upgraded the power supply to a 500 watt at one point. It's in Auriga, if that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. Right, so the CPU was already supplied, but don't want to mess with that. He said it's new thermal paste, so I don't want to undo it. I'm going to trust this thermal paste. Unless I have overheating problems, I'm not going to reapply it. So, to put your RAM in, you grab both sides, you put it, make sure the notch is where it should be, and press it down, and you'll get a click, or you'll see both of them. Now, grab the other one, put it in, and hopefully everything will work. Now, let's try putting everything in here. Speed up the video again. Alright, there it is. marked. I went with one fan at the front because I actually had to move the power button to the back. And there's the two LEDs for hard drive and stuff. So I'm going to go and test this Tiger build here. I have everything plugged in. Yep. So I got the fan at the front. Just one fan, no fan at the back. However, power supply is putting in for air and exhausting out the side, out the back. So that should help with it. I got my SSD in here, power button is in the back, and graphics card is in. So now let's go plug it in and see if it works. And I'm gonna do some testing. And Fallout 4 is up tonight, so will it run it? Alright, so here it is. The desktop is all installed, plugged into my TV. Oh, what's this? Fallout 4. Wait, what? It's installed? Well, I guess we have to see if it runs now. I'm sorry for the shaky camera. I am holding it like in my hand. I don't have a tripod for my phone. So yeah, 1+1 camera. Let's go. All right, let's see if this runs. Let's let's just open up. Let's open up Fraps first. Okay. Let's see. Oh, first time opening up Fraps. All right, cool, awesome. And Fallout 4. Alright, let's see options. Right. Yes, better keep that low. This is way under spec for Fallout 4, but we'll see. Can I put, why is there no low? What's the point of putting a medium if there's no low? What? Why have medium, high, and wow, okay. I guess these are cool. Alright, moment of truth. Play. I don't know if this runs yet. Oh. Running. 40 something frames per second so far. But this is the loading screen. Sorry about that, I just got a loot crate. I will be unboxing that a bit later. So yeah, Fallout 4 loot crate, limited edition. We'll see what's in that later, but for now, I'm getting 60 FPS for some reason. Alright. Start a new game. Yes, let's start a new game. Alright. If we can get 30 frames per second, I will be amazed. 60 right now. It's not processing much. Sorry about the glare. Fallout 4. So 60 FPS.
War never changes. In the year 1945, my great-great-grandfather...
That's a little preview at the start as well, so spoiler alert.
...wondered when he could go home to his wife and the son he'd never seen. He got
It's
his
not
wish.
rendered yet, so this is just a video.
The U.S. ended World War II
Okay.
by dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The world awaited Armageddon. Instead, something miraculous happened. We began to use atomic energy not as a weapon, but as a nearly limitless source of power. People enjoyed luxuries once thought the realm of science fiction. Domestic robots, fusion-powered cars, portable computers. But then, in the 21st century, people awoke from the American dream. Years of consumption led to shortages of every major resource. The entire world unraveled.
I must say, this intro is pretty badass.
Peace became a distant memory. It is now the year 2077. We stand on the brink of total war. And I am afraid. For myself. For my wife. For my infant son. Because if my time in the army taught me one thing, it's that war never changes.
Right. Oh. Steamy shower.
War never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the Veterans Hall tonight, hon.
You think?
Absolutely. Now get
Oh,
ready
60
and
FPS.
stop
This
hogging
looks
the
like
mirror.
game generator.
Right.
Alright, let's just go. Well, 60 FPS somehow running.
73.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Room to perfection. And today's newspaper just delivered.
Sorry, I cannot play with one hand. Oh, it drops down to about 30. Generate everything. Well, it runs. I don't know how it runs, but it does run. Probably better than it would run on a like an Xbox 360 if it was on it. But yeah, you get the point. Wow. Well, there you go. Runs. Oh, thank you for watching.